Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Think you've already seen every useful tool Amazon has to offer? Think again, because today's countdown is filled with tools that are smarter, tougher, and more impressive than ever. Stay with us until the very end, because the last tool might just become your next must-have addition to the toolbox. Cleaning your vehicle shouldn't mean dragging around bulky pressure washers or hunting for a power outlet. The Ecarke portable car cleaning tool changes everything. Designed to work with DeWalt 20V batteries, it transforms your existing battery into a powerful cordless cleaning system that's ready whenever you are. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, 3 adjustable speed settings, a 6-in-1 spray nozzle, foam cannon, and a 5-meter water hose, it delivers impressive cleaning power for cars, motorcycles, patios, fences, garden furniture, and much more. Modern electronics are packed with tiny screws, and one wrong move can turn a simple repair into an expensive mistake. That's where the JOREST 155-in-1 mini electric screwdriver set truly shines, combining a precision cordless electric screwdriver with an incredible 155 repair accessories. This kit is built for today's smartphones, laptops, gaming consoles, smartwatches, cameras, and more. 5 adjustable torque levels let you tighten delicate screws safely without stripping them, while the magnetic bit system allows fast, effortless bit changes. Not every repair needs electricity, but every repair deserves the right tools. The JOREST 145-in-1 precision screwdriver set gives you everything needed to tackle delicate electronics with confidence. Inside the compact storage case, you'll find an extensive collection of precision bits, opening tools, pry bars, tweezers, cleaning accessories, and even an anti-static wrist strap to help protect sensitive electronic components. Designed for repairing iPhones, MacBooks, laptops, Nintendo Switch consoles, PlayStation controllers, cameras, tablets, and countless other devices, this toolkit keeps every repair organized and efficient. Forget buying disposable cans of compressed air. This cordless powerhouse delivers cleaning performance on a whole different level, spinning at an astonishing 180,000 RPM. This electric air duster blasts away dust, dirt, and debris from keyboards, computers, cameras, car interiors, air vents, workshops, and countless hard-to-reach places with incredible force. 4 adjustable speed settings let you switch instantly from gentle electronics cleaning to maximum blowing power for tougher jobs. Fast USB-C charging keeps downtime to a minimum, while the rechargeable battery provides true cordless convenience wherever you need it. Have you ever dropped a tiny screw, bolt, or washer into a place that's almost impossible to reach? Don't waste valuable time searching for it. The MAFEHAN magnetic pickup tool is designed to solve that exact problem. Its powerful telescoping magnetic shaft extends up to 22.5 inches, allowing you to retrieve screws, nuts, bolts, and other metal objects from tight engine bays, crowded workbenches, cabinets, and hard-to-reach corners with ease. The built-in bright LED light illuminates dark spaces, while the flexible neck bends effortlessly around obstacles for maximum precision. When stubborn Torx fasteners refuse to budge, you need more than an ordinary wrench. You need serious leverage. The Aries 9-piece Torx T-handle spinner set combines speed, comfort, and exceptional torque into one professional-grade package. Covering sizes from T10 through T50, each wrench features a sliding T-handle that maximizes leverage, while the smooth spinning sleeve lets you tighten and loosen fasteners quickly with minimal effort. Friction-treated tips grip securely, reducing slippage and protecting fasteners from damage. Rounded-off screws can turn a 5-minute repair into an hour of frustration, but not anymore. The VAMPLIERS 8-inch screw extractor linesman pliers, proudly made in Japan, are specially engineered to grip stripped, rusted, damaged, and stubborn fasteners with incredible strength. Their precision-machined jaws bite firmly into worn screw heads where ordinary pliers simply slip away. But that's only the beginning. They also function as premium combination pliers for gripping, twisting, cutting, and pulling wire during everyday jobs. Usually requires expensive shop equipment. Until now, this adjustable sheet metal roller and bender brings professional metal fabrication into a compact, portable design. Featuring an adjustable 0 to 100-degree bending range and an easy-to-read precision scale, it produces clean, consistent bends with remarkable accuracy. The adjustable roller height accommodates different material thicknesses while maintaining smooth, uniform results without damaging finished surfaces. Every great workshop starts with a dependable vise, and this one is ready for just about anything. The MAXMAN 360-degree clamp bench vise is constructed from heavy-duty cast steel, providing exceptional strength for woodworking, metalworking, repairs, and countless DIY projects. Unlike permanent vises, its universal clamp design attaches securely to almost any workbench in minutes, no drilling required. The 360-degree swivel base allows you to rotate your workpiece to the perfect angle, making cutting, drilling, sanding, filing, and assembly work easier than ever. A traditional tape measure works, but smart technology works even better. The Fanttik A11 Ultra combines a 197-foot laser distance meter, a precision measuring wheel, and a 3-axis digital level into one incredibly versatile measuring system. Its bright IPS touchscreen and convenient side display provide crystal-clear readings from almost any angle, while the rechargeable battery keeps you measuring all day long. From room dimensions and wall heights to curved surfaces, flooring layouts, and renovation projects, this intelligent tool delivers fast, accurate measurements in seconds. Perfect cuts always begin with perfect measurements. The JOREST Connectable Contour Gauge makes copying complex shapes faster, easier, and far more accurate than ever before. Whether you're working around pipes, trim, molding, flooring, tile, or irregular surfaces, its flexible contour pins capture every detail with impressive precision. The integrated locking mechanism securely holds the traced profile in place, while the connectable design allows both sections to join together for measuring larger objects. We're wrapping up today's countdown with a tool that's built for the toughest industrial jobs on the planet. The CS Unitec Safewrench striking wrench is specifically engineered for loosening and tightening large, stubborn fasteners using controlled hammer strikes. Manufactured from premium industrial-grade steel, it withstands repeated heavy impacts while delivering exceptional strength and reliability. Its specially designed striking surface maximizes force transfer, helping reduce damage to both the wrench and the fastener during demanding applications. And that's our countdown of 12 incredible new Amazon tools built to make every project faster, smarter, and more efficient. If you found a new favorite, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tools and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.